Forget the sugar, I like it pure dark. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making 2-ingredient dark chocolate mousse. If you love dark chocolate, this dessert is for you. This classic French chocolate mousse has a rich, chocolatey flavour, no sugar and no cream. This chocolate mousse has only 2 ingredients, dark chocolate and eggs. Find the measurements in the description below. I use 70% good quality dark chocolate, but if, like me, you like it darker, you can also use 80% or even 90%. This recipe uses raw eggs. Eggs are treated differently in Europe versus the USA. If you are in the USA, you can buy pasteurized eggs. Here in Europe, ensure your eggs are fresh and from a reputable source. I have my own chickens and I know them very well. Before you separate the egg yolks from the whites, you need to follow 2 essential steps to ensure the whites form a stiff peak. The eggs should be at room temperature. The egg white should have no trace of yolk. Therefore, when separating the yolk from the white, use a separate bowl for each egg. If a yolk breaks, you cannot use the egg white. Melt the chocolate in the microwave or on a double boiler. In the meantime, whip the egg yolks until they turn pale and bubbles start to form. Mix the melted chocolate with the egg yolks while still warm. If the chocolate cools down, it will solidify. With an electric whisk, beat egg whites until stiff peaks form. I prefer to use an electric mixer with a whisk attachment. Gently fold the egg whites with the chocolate mixture, which is now cold. Be very gentle as egg whites are delicate and can easily deflate if overworked. If you mix too vigorously or for too long, the egg whites can lose their volume and become runny. Once the mixture is fully combined, pour the mousse into small cups of serving glasses. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. You can serve this decadent mousse with chopped chocolate, cocoa powder or fresh berries. Dark, smooth and chocolatey, this fluffety mousse is a decadent dessert perfect for dinner parties. For more chocolate recipes, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to use 100% dark chocolate.